Hello there everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to add any of your images as a background in Canva. So it's quite simple, all we have to do is follow along. So without any further delay, let's dive right in. As you can see on the left corner, you can see all the options like design, elements, text. So all you have to do is go to the uploads, since this is where all the uploads are. Okay, mind you, first thing first, you have to make sure the picture that you want to upload or like make it as a background, it should be already uploaded in the Canva. So once you've done that, let's say I want to put this as a background, simply click in the image. So right now it's just a simple image, right? In order to put this as a background, it's simple. All you gotta do is right click, and here all the way down you can see set image as background. Now you can simply click there, and voila. This is how you set any of your images as a background, and I can either post a video over this, or even like some designs. You can add your own creativeness in this. So yeah, I hope this video was helpful. If so, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.